Let's try a delicious and simple recipe for milk powder biscuits, soft, melt in the mouth, and packed with milky flavor. In a mixing bowl, beat the ghee and powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Add the egg and vanilla essence. Beat again until smooth and creamy. Gradually, mix dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Made with simple pantry ingredients and rich in milky flavor, they're perfect for tea time or a cozy evening with a warm cup of chai. Stir or knead gently to form a soft dough. Soft, milky, and delicately sweet, these homemade milk biscuits are a timeless treat that melts in your mouth with every bite. Shape the cookies. Bake for 10–12 minutes or until the edges are just turning golden. The cookies will be soft, they'll firm up as they cool. Lightly golden on the outside and tender on the inside, these biscuits offer that nostalgic, bakery-style charm with the comfort of being freshly baked at home. These cookies are perfect with chai or as a tea time treat. Enjoy with chai.